I love when this happens. Check this out. You get people coming in using our app, finally seeing the day of light. Gentlemen needed some drywall work on a basement. Perfect descriptions, budget already set up. You got people coming in here. This is 2 minutes after he posted it. This conversation already taken place between him and the contract. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, site it's called True Relief. If you have a property, whether you're homeowners, landlords, even a tenant, and looking for efficient, affordable way to get help in few minutes, this is the app you must have on your phone. And if you're watching this video and your contractor's good, talented, and looking for a way to connect with customers, also check out truerelief.com. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. And then bam, as the minute we were shooting the video, another bid came right in. That's total 4 out of 4 in matter of 2 minutes.